Hi guys, how you doing? As many of you requested in my previous video, which I was reviewing and unboxing the Under Armour's sports mask, I'm gonna do a candle test. If you haven't watched the video that I'm reviewing and unboxing the Under Armour's sports mask, I'm just gonna drop the link above here. Just click on it and check out that video. I'm also gonna put it below in the description. So we're gonna be doing the candle test, and we're going to be comparing the Under Armour's sports mask with an actual surgical mask with a double layered cloth face mask and also a single layered cloth face mask. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. Salam my friends, welcome back to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel Nimul TV, where in this series of videos I do tech reviews and unboxing videos on latest stuff that get into the market. I'm just gonna start with the single layered cloth made face mask. So I'm just gonna put it on. Okay, make sure it's tight. You put it here and I'm just gonna be blowing the candle. So let's do it again. Let's give it another chance. Bro, this is not working. So this is a failure. In the next round, I'll be using the mask that I'm wearing on a daily basis for school and my classes. So I just put it on. Go Canes. Okay. It's kind of about to go off, but hold on. This is a double layered, so. Oh my God, no, this is good. This is a good one. So I'm happy that I'm wearing this. By the way, have you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel? Bro, I'm blowing a candle here for you guys. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button today and turn on your bell notifications. Make sure it covers my nose and my mouth. Okay. No chance. It's not even moving. I'm getting tired. So we give a thumbs up to the surgical mask, guys. This is working. And now what you've been waiting for, we have the Under Armour's sports mask. So I'm just gonna take it out. Really fancy bag. I just use this for my workout. A fancy Under Armour sports mask. Just put it on. Okay, make sure it's tight. All right. Are you guys ready? Drum roll, please. There we go. No, this is kind of working like this one, I would say. No, bro, it's not going off. So this is working, guys. So as far as the candle test that you guys requested, the Under Armour's sports mask passes that test. This here. Alright guys, so let me know below in the comments what do you think about the candle test, or what do you think about these masks that I tested? Which one you use? I mean, I personally use this one, double layered cloth made face mask. If you guys find value in the video that I just posted, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications for lots of cool review and unboxing videos that I post in this series. Also, if you're into editing and video making, I'll have lots of tutorials on my YouTube channel as well as the vlogs that I'm posting. So this is a fun channel. If you haven't already, do the subscription today. Please stay safe, please wear a mask, and until the next video, Mokhlas.